Hi, I'm Andy McRobbie from Buro Seating. I'm joined today by Andrew Wilson. Andrew is a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and he's also a published author on both of these topics. Andrew, like millions of other people in the workplace today, I suffer occasionally from back pain. I'm very conscious that in the Buro range we have the option of the 3-lever chair or a synchronized chair. In your opinion, which one would work best for someone like myself with some back issues occasionally?
If you've got musculoskeletal back pain or other joint problems, there's no doubt that your body benefits from regular movement and regular activity. It protects you from developing back pain and it helps you recover from back pain. It reduces the monotonous stresses on the muscles and joints and encourages better circulation and muscle stretching. It tends to reduce fatigue and pain sensitivity from pressure points. So a well-designed synchro chair, such as the Buro Mentor, with its ability to encourage regular postural change and moving about and allowing your body to adapt to different circumstances, will still provide good posture and support, will help reduce your back pain. Additionally, you should really have someone who can do a full workplace assessment, look at your office to make sure you're making the best use of your chair and just identifying any other possible hazards that might be contributing to your problem.
Thanks, Andrew. Please stay tuned for our next ErgoTalks update.